Welcome! In front of me I have Nokia Activite Steel, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. First thing we need to do is to install the Withings Health Mate application on our iPhone we want to use to pair our watch with. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled on your iPhone. Once you do, open the App Store. In the App Store, tap on Search, then tap on the search bar and type in Withings and then tap on Search. And you should see Withings Health Mate application on the list. Tap on it, tap on the Get button to download and install the application. And once the application is done installing, you should see the Open button. You can tap on it. In the app, if you see the pop-up about the Bluetooth permission, tap on OK to agree to, rather to allow it. Then tap on Get Started. And here we need to either use the email address and tap on Continue, or use the Google account or Apple account to log in. I already have an account, so I'm gonna tap right here, enter the email address, then tap on Continue. And now I need to enter the code that I will receive on the email address I entered. So let's check the email. Okay, let's enter the code. Tap on Done. Let's wait until it's done processing. As you can see, we have a pop-up about the notification permissions. This is useful if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch. Although I don't think you can receive the notifications on this watch, so I don't know why it pops up, but you can allow it or deny it. And as you can see, after we log in, you should see the home page. Now, tap on the device icon in the top right corner, tap on Install Device, select Watches, scroll down, find the watch called, I believe, Activite, here, Activite Pop, tap on it, tap on Install. As you can see, we need to grab our watch and turn it around, and on the back of the watch there is this button right here, and what we need to do is to press it. I'm gonna use some kind of pin, for example SIM eject tool for the phone, but as you can see, apparently the watch comes with the this little pin tool that you can use. I'm just gonna use this one. You can use paper clip or whatever. Basically press the button, the watch will vibrate, which means that it's activated. Now we can tap on Next. Here you can basically calibrate the watch hands. If they're not pointing to 0, you need to adjust it. And then you can tap on Next, do the same for the second one. Like that. And here you can adjust the motion hand. So basically this is for goals, I believe, for like step goal. Okay, and once you adjust and calibrate the hands, you can tap on Done. And it will redirect you to the home page, and you can tap on Device page to see your watch right here on the page. Okay, and that's how you pair this watch with the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.